So on the top of your air box, your manifest sensor goes right here. And it should be blue like that. Okay? But if you see the back side, you'll see that it's... There you go. You see how dirty that is? So we're going to clean that, but you only use mass airflow sensor cleaner. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray it off, but get away from the car.
We'll be wearing our safety glasses
and gloves.
Or PPE equipment.
You wear your PPE.
Oh yeah, it's coming right off. I had so much buildup on it. Look. Here's the clean side. It took all
good stuff.
It is good stuff. I can't believe it cleaned it up that much. Just one little lick. I mean, look at that. It's almost just like the other side. It's a little bit darker, but
okay, so you want to put your... I'd go ahead and put the breather so you can see what you're doing. No, take it back out. Take it back out.
Oh,
it twists in there. Don't get the oils from your fingers on there. But it twists. You'll see that it's concentric.
There's one's short, one's big. Okay, right there. Okay, that didn't work.
I'm going to turn it to lock it in place. There you go. So you got to put these keyways in those three positions there, except you got to lift it way up in the air for it to go under that notch. There's notches. That's where people, a lot of times, their air filters aren't even working because they don't have it.
Yeah, they don't have it seated in good.
They don't have it seated in good.
We should have took a meter and make sure we were getting juice out of this. Make sure we're getting the voltage. But I guess we'll know one way or another.
All right, after we clean the MAF, it's still coding out. So we're going to need to replace. It's gone from a soft code to a hard code, so need to replace the MAF.
That dude was talking. That's the MAF. That's it right there.
Okay, what?
I don't like it.
You just use a torque bit. It's much easier to take this off to undo the connection when you actually pull it off. This car's either got a MAP or a MAF or a MAT. MAFs have to be in there, manifold air temperature. Mass airflow, mass airflow sensor, but it's got to be in that hose there, and this doesn't have one, but yet they sell a part for one, but there's nowhere for it. But this is a MAT, manifold air pressure. You have to twist it like this, and it pulls out. It's a twist lock with an O-ring. We're going to try and clean this first. All right, to remove this, you got to pull this red clip back there, but I could not get it to let go. So what I had to do, and it's going to be like impossible to hold a camera and do this at the same time, but there's a little black tab, and you stick your screwdriver in backwards, And as soon as you pop that up, then your map will pop right out.
Do we know if this is
We
the
tried-
map sensor? No, y'all tell
This
us.
is a map, it's not MAF. And we tried cleaning this. It was full of oil. We tried cleaning it with MAF cleaner and it did not work. So to O'Reilly's we go. Alright, we just bypassed that by hooking that up like that. They were arguing with me on that. So we are going to install a new MET sensor in this Dodge Avenger that does not have a MAF, even though all the manuals, all the repair places say it's coding MAF, but a MAF would have to be in here somewhere, and there is not a MAF. All right, we're going to put us a new one in. How much was it?
$30.
30 bucks. Nice and shiny. It does look different on the inside, but
Here, I'll install it. Clicks in.
now it has to go in at an angle and then twist in there. It doesn't go in straight, it goes at an angle. And you twist it to lock it in place. Just like that. Then there's a retaining nut right there that uses a don't strip this, you're going into plastic. I guess it's really not plastic, it's nylon, so you do not want to strip it out. Make sure you're lined up. Okay, doesn't need to be tight. Yeah, you still got a ways to go. You sure you're not cross-threading that plastic? You'll see
Seating it in.
Seat home. All right, now it's the moment of truth. Okay guys, we know this is defective, so let's take it apart like I do in all my videos and find out why it's defective. We have like 6 little clips right here. We're going to remove those and take a look inside. Oh, it's hard to hold a camera. Okay guys, there you go. We have this little computer board. Right there. And it's got contacts there that match up with this.